guys, hello everyone! My name is Inga Yun, I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and during my short tutorials I teach how to use Procreate in a fast and simple way. Mostly I paint in watercolor, so I share with you my knowledge that I have about this app, and I'm trying to do it in a fast and simple way. I hope you will like my art, and if so, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's start our painting journey. During our today's short tutorial, we're gonna paint this lovely fruit, and we're gonna do it in a very simple way. Once again, I'm gonna use my own brush set, watercolor brush set. For that, you can use your own brushes or native Procreate brushes. So let's get started. I will lower the opacity. Then I'm gonna grab purple color. We're gonna grab selection tool, freehand, and I'm gonna select the shape of our fruit. Okay, great. So now we can paint within this selected area. And I'm gonna choose a new brush, BooStudio. And this brush will help me to reach very realistic watercolor look. I'm gonna grab slightly darker shade. Okay, perfect. Then I will go to the layers and I will create one more layer underneath. And as you might see, we still have our selection on, which is very convenient. Grab greenish color, same brush. I think we need even brighter color, like that. Okay, wonderful. Then I'm gonna create one more layer underneath and I will grab reddish color. Still I have same brush. Next, I think we don't need our selection anymore, so I'm gonna turn it off. Now I'll create one more layer above and I do same. So now I can just paint within the selection area. I have new layer on and I'm gonna grab pretty bright green color. And this area will be greenish. So as you see, you might paint the whole illustration just within one brush. Now let's grab yellowish color, add a little bit of yellow color in the middle, and then grab purple color, lower the size of the brush a little bit, and we just need to paint like through the edges. Now grab reddish color. We don't go beyond the lines and we paint everything on one layer. That's convenient. Grab purple color, even darker one, and show the edges one more time. Perfect. Now we need to create one more layer underneath. And I'm gonna grab reddish color. And I'm gonna paint the inside part like that. And I will create one more layer above, sharp stains. And I won't fill it entirely because I'm gonna grab blending tool. And I wanna make it look more like realistic. So I blend some parts. Glazing brush, create one more layer above, and I want to show some parts. Okay, wonderful. Create one more layer above and clip it. Move blending layer mode to multiply. Purple color, and here I'm gonna use Bloom brush, and I'm gonna show some shades. This brush is very soft. And if you think it's too sharp or too much color, just go grab blending tool and blend it. Okay, I like what we have right now. I will merge together, create one more layer above, Move to multiply again. Bow sharp stains. Clip it. It's important, we don't want to go beyond the lines. And blend this part, oh, be careful. Ta-da! Okay, let's paint some kind of background. I'll create one more layer underneath, maybe beige. And here we might grab some of the stems and use stamp brush as our background. So our fruit is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in the next tutorial.